If you're looking for a platform that delivers staggering straight-line punches, track day precision, and almost endless tuning potential without wiping out your bank account, the C6 Corvette is still that car. This generation didn't just refine the Corvette formula, it split it into two very different personalities: the lightweight, aero-cleaning narrow body, and the factory-flared, track-hungry wide body into that Z06, Grand Sport, and ZR1. And here's the fun part, those body differences aren't just for looks. They change the car's aero balance, track width, cooling capacity, and most important for today's video, fitment geometry. Whether you're trying to nail the flush street stance or dial in a track-ready formula, the C6 gives you way more to consider than you might think. With price stability, clean examples getting easy to find, and the aftermarket support still going strong, there's never been a better time to break down exactly what separates these two body styles and how to choose the perfect wheel and tire setup for each one. Introduced in 2005, the C6 Corvette brought a sharper, more compact package than the C5. The result was a platform that felt more planted with some notable driver feedback, especially at higher speeds. It retained the aluminum-intensive construction and rear transaxle layout, but tightened up everything with a shorter overall length, reduced overhangs, and improved steering geometry. The base and the Z51 models are considered narrow-body C6s, while the Z06, Grand Sport, and the ZR1 rolled out of Bowling Green with a wider, more muscular stance. Although a lot of us did miss those pop-up headlights, let's be real. The wide-body version includes substantially wider front and rear fenders, increased front track width, functional brake cooling inlets, larger open design for fatter rubber, unique aero that improves stability at speed. These changes weren't merely cosmetic, they were engineered around bigger brakes, more power, and more lateral grip. Like most Corvettes since the 90s, the C6 has a massive tuning community and a deep aftermarket catalog. And one of the first mod almost every owner tackles are wheels and tires, of course. For general reference, the factory wheel setup comes with a bolt pattern of 5 by 120.65 and a center bore of 70.3 millimeters. When it comes to the narrow-body C6 factory setup, we're looking at 18.5 ET56 in the front, and the rear comes in at 19.10 inches ET79. And if you have a wide-body Z06, ZR1, or Grand Sport, the front comes in at 18.9 ET40, and the rear is 19.12 ET59. First, let's talk about the narrow-body C6. Let's start out with fitment for our no-hassle category. The cleanest, easiest fitment for daily use. No rubbing, no suspension drama, no fender worries. These stay well within the Corvette-friendly geometry, which gives a simple visual upgrade. For a square setup, we're going to recommend going with an 8.5-inch wide wheel with an offset between ET50 and ET56. If you're looking to go staggered, we're going to go with an 8.5-inch and an offset between 50 and 56 up front, and a 9.5-inch wide wheel with an offset of 55 and ET56 in the rear. Our suggestion here is for no hassle is to keep it as simple as possible. Next up, slight flex. A more confident stance while staying reasonably safe. For slight flex on the non-wide body C6, let's go with a squared fitment of 9 inches wide with an offset between ET45 and ET52. If you're looking to go staggered here, we'd recommend a 10-inch wide wheel up front and with an ET58 offset, and in the rear, let's go with an 11-inch wide with an ET78 offset. Alright, let's talk about all the wheel. This fitment will give you wider wheels, lower offset, that visually pack the fenders. Expect to dial in alignment and possibly touch fender liners depending on the tire model. For this fitment, let's go square with a 9.5-inch wide wheel and an offset range between ET42 and ET48. Want to go staggered? Let's go 10-inch wide up front with an offset of ET58 and 11-inch wide in the rear with an offset of ET78. Alright now, for you fitment maniacs, you know who you are. If all the wheel wasn't aggressive for you, let's talk yo-yo. For this category, anything wider than 10 inches up front or 11 inches in the rear with a lower than an ET58 up front and ET75 in the rear, you're going to be on your own. Use caution here because there's a very fine line between aggressive and too aggressive when it comes to these sizes. If you have a Z06 or ZR1 or a wide-body C6, factory wheel sizings check in at 18.5 inches ET40 up front and 19.12 inches ET59 in the rear, Wide bodies have significantly more room, but brake clearance becomes the main limiting factors, especially with the Z06 ZR1 6-piston caliber. Be aware of the size of your brakes here. For no hassle, again, let's go square with a 9.5-inch wide wheel with an offset between ET40 and ET50. If you're looking to go staggered here, we recommend going with a 9.5-inch wide wheel up front with an offset range between ET40 and ET50. And in the rear, with no hassle, let's go 11 inches wide with an offset between 55 and 60. For slight flex, let's go square with 10 inches wide, ET45 offset all around. And for staggered, let's go 10.5 inches wide with an ET36 offset up front on 12.5 inches wide with an ET56 offset in the rear. All right, let's talk all the wheel. For all the wheel, let's go 10.5 inches wide with an offset between ET40 and 45 square. If you want to go stagger, let's go 10.5 inches with an ET35 up front. In the rear, let's go 12 inches wide with an offset between 50 and 55. Our last category for this episode of Fit Check. You have your wide body C6 and you want to go as big as possible. These setups are for track builds, stance cars, or fearless fitment adventurers. In this category, anything past 11 inches at ET35 offset in the front or lower, and a 13 inch at lower than ET50 offset in the rear, and you're going to be on your own. Now keep in mind, you may hear of people possibly going bigger or wider, but these recommendations we're giving you are designed with usability in mind. We love a good C6, big boy V8, rear wheel drive goodness, and the smoke everywhere, and screaming bald eagles saying, "America, what's not to like?" Thanks for joining us. My name is Luis from KONIG Wheels. Catch you in the next one.